video is upon request on how to peel and grate ginger. I'll show you how to do it with a ginger grating tool and without, so that you have the option to do it either or. Personally, I like simple, so using tools that simplify the processes in the kitchen works for me. I'm going to show you how to peel, slice, julienne, chop, mince, and grate ginger so that you can accommodate any recipe that calls for ginger in various forms. Although there are many ways to use ginger, the way I always suggest using it is in tea. It's how I have always used it and how I have been able to alleviate stomach ailments and nausea in the past. There was a time when I first started transitioning into the raw vegan lifestyle and I was eating more raw foods. I was beginning to feel sick because that's what happens when your body is pushing out acidity and toxins. You start to feel sick. You start to feel like something's wrong. Like you start to question if you're really supposed to be feeling good. You start to question what you're doing. I was feeling sick. I was having stomach pains. There would be times where I would be sitting on the couch and I couldn't move. Sharp pains in my stomach, and I was like, what in the world is going on? Am I not supposed to be feeling better? I thought there was something wrong. I didn't know what was going on. I started questioning what I was doing. I started questioning if what I was doing was truly good for me. And there would be times that I would feel so sick. I wanted to throw up. I couldn't even move. I would drink water, lemon water, but that wasn't enough. So the moment I started making myself ginger tea, it was instant. It was medicinal. It was unbelievable. The moment I would drink this tea, the pains would stop and the nausea would disappear. It's just amazing. I swear by it. I've lived by it. It's amazing. So I totally swear by it because I've used it, it's worked for me, and I know that it will work for you. So keep that in mind. So if you are undergoing a transition, know that there's going to be detox symptoms as well. Ginger is great for nausea, motion sickness, morning sickness, diarrhea, cold and flu symptoms, and a number of other forms of nausea and stomach ailments. Another great root to add to your tea is turmeric. As a matter of fact, that is what I would add to my ginger tea when I would make that tea to alleviate that stomach pain and cramping and nausea that I had. It's highly known for its anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve inflammation and chronic pain. When combined with ginger, they work amazingly well to boost your immune system and relieve pain. The two are so potent together, they will alleviate symptoms in no time. So if you're among the many who are experiencing cold and flu symptoms right now, this is the tea for you. Just add some lemon for vitamin C and alkalinity and sweeten it up with agave if you'd like. Ready to get peeling? Let's dive in. give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want more tips, tricks, recipes, inspiration, and more on how to live a healthier, more holistic, and cruelty-free way of life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos to come. Just add some lemon for vitamin C and alkalinity. Just add some lemon. If you want more tips, tricks, recipes, inspiration, and more on how to live a healthier